Hey guys, AJ Happy back again. Today we're doing another DIY video. This time it's how to remove tile and thinset off concrete floor. This is a terrible job, but it can be done with the right tools relatively easily. So as you can see, I've been tearing up this tile, and I'm almost all the way through, and then I remembered I should be filming this for you guys. So here we go. Yeah, I know I made quite a mess, but here we go. So first thing you're going to want to make sure you have is eye protection and ear protection and gloves, because tile, when it breaks, it can get real sharp. So I'm going to get all of that on here. Priceless. It's hard to work when your fingers don't work. Alright, so what you're going to need is pretty simple. You're going to need basically a hammer drill. A hammer drill that has strictly hammer function here. So instead of drilling, it just hammers. Now for taking the tile out, I prefer this 1-inch chisel bit, and I'll tell you why. The big bits, the 3-inch bits that you would think would make more sense, they just don't get the same like ping to them that pops these tiles up full size. And that's what you ideally want, is to be able to pop them up in one full piece, because then you can just stack them up and carry them out to your trailer, or stack them on a dolly or whatever and take them out to your trailer. But when they break like this, which sometimes they do, just depending on the tile and how much thinset's under it, sometimes you can't get around it. But for the most part, this 1-inch chisel bit is going to be your best bet for getting the tile out. So let's get to it. Let's see if I can set you up here. As you guys know, I don't edit my videos. I'm slightly lazy. But what you're going to want to do is just, that's a terrible angle. That's a little better. Alright. So what you're going to want to do, ideally you want to have two open sides. Two already broke out sides. If you can break this stuff up to where you can have two sides open, the tile comes out so much better. And you're just going to get up in the corner, near the corner. Sometimes it does that, but it's up and it's not that hard. So I'll show you one more time. Try to do it one-handed here, get you a closer view. So yeah, when you don't have both the sides, here, we'll do this one. And we'll just keep going on. Pretty nifty, right? Alright, now when it comes to the thinset, you're going to have all this thinset left. And you can use this 1-inch bit if it's all you have, but you're only going to take 1 inch at a time. So you can... It's not that hard, but if you have in your kit, say 2.5-inch or 3-inch, I'm not sure how big that is. But if you swap this out, easier said than done sometimes. There we go. So if you put this bit on there, and you do just the same thing, it works. So after that, sweep it, vacuum it, go around, get the little pieces you missed. If dust is a concern for you, If it's on a concrete floor, you can put water on here, just a little bit. Don't drown the house. You don't want it getting in the drywall and everything. But you can just get a water bottle, poke a hole in the lid, squirt down an area at a time, and do it, and it'll keep the dust from coming up. So that's a big help. So I hope this video helped you guys in some way. Give me a like, subscribe, something. Appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.